So here are 5 reasons to feel incredibly optimistic about American manufacturing. Not just cautiously optimistic, not someday, but right now. And let me show you the data. Let's start with output. In 2024, American manufacturing produced $2.91, don't forget the $1 trillion in value, an all-time record. Here's what that actually means. If US manufacturing were its own country, it would be the 8th largest economy on Earth. I don't know about the solar system, but at least on Earth. That's bigger than France, just behind the UK, and that's an economic engine running at record strength. Second, the US is building again, and you can see it physically. Factory construction spending has hit $235 billion in 2024 alone. That's nearly triple what it was just 3 years prior. Think semiconductor fabs, EV battery plants, the kind of facilities we simply didn't build here a generation ago. We are physically re-industrializing in real time. The third reason, it's not just us that's making this bet. The foreign investment in US manufacturing now stands at $2.4 trillion. Let me try that. $2.42 trillion. Of every dollar of foreign capital coming into this country, manufacturing draws the single largest share, more than any other sector. Japan alone has committed over $800 billion. When the rest of the world puts that kind of money behind American factories, they're not just betting on our past, they're betting on where we're gonna be in the next 20 years. The fourth reason, the work is coming home. Since 2010, more than 2 million manufacturing jobs have been announced through the reshoring and foreign investments, with a record in 2022 alone. But here's the part that I love the most. The overwhelming majority of those jobs are in advanced high-tech manufacturing. I want you to think semiconductors, electronics, electric vehicles. These aren't just jobs of the last century coming back. These are the jobs of the next one showing up today. And the fifth reason, the one that I feel the most encouraged about all and I'm most passionate about, is we're gonna need people. The industry will need around 3.8 million more workers by 2033. Roughly 2.8 million of those roles come from the generation that built modern American manufacturing are beginning to retire. Enrollment at vocation colleges is up nearly 20% since 2020. Certification programs have grown 4 years running, and that's why here at MISUMI Americas, we are supporting university programs to encourage that next generation of engineers and builders, from Berkeley to Notre Dame and many schools in between. I'd encourage you to support these programs in the schools near you. Talk to young people trying to figure out what comes next, because the future of American manufacturing gets built the same way everything else does. At home, by the people who care enough to start it. So 5 reasons: record output, a construction boom you can see from the highway, the largest pool of foreign capital of any sector in the country, and advanced jobs coming home to neighborhoods around you, and a generation that's already raising its hand. The capital is here, the demand is here, and the talent is on its way. Our job, all of us, is to close the distance between the opportunity in front of us and the people ready to seize it. And that's a great problem to have. It's one that I'm confident we can solve together. For more on US manufacturing, please make sure to check out our new report, The Rise of US Manufacturing.